time is it? What time is it? What time is it? It's time for Stitch Fix. Yes. And the crowd goes wild. Yes, they do. Hi, friends. Emily here. Hope everyone's doing fabulous out there. Welcome to my channel. Smile. There's wine. There is some wine. I've had a little bit of wine. Can you tell? Guys, I'm so excited. It's Christmas season. Oh, I just love Christmas. I just love all of it. I'm just like checking things off the list, right? Like I am that person that like, I will make the best Christmas ever. I will do all the things because it brings me joy. Also stress, but I love it. There she is. Let's look at this little baby bundle. Ooh, it's so pretty. So this must be the sweater dress. We got some red pop in here, which 'tis the season, right? I'm like, I don't know if that's animal print. Oh, what's going on? So let's dive in and get a better look at all of these lovely items. Okay. Ooh, this skirt. I love this skirt. I go back and forth with animal print. I feel like I have this Skies Are Blue pleated. I have similar skirts like this, obviously in a different pattern, but leopard print is fun. The only thing about this skirt that I saw that I was like, is the cut. This where it goes like, see how it's kind of like, you guys get what I'm seeing here? Like longer here. Like I kind of just wish it was all the same length. You guys see what's happening here? Like, why does it get longer there? I know that's like a style that I'm not sure if I like that style, but I like the print. It's so pretty. Okay, so that's fun. And then here is this Mason and Bell top. It is floral. It is peplum. I think it would work really well for Christmas, like any kind of Christmas event. Am I super in love with it? I don't know. I go back and forth with floral. Like, I like what I would call small print floral or ditzy floral. This is a little bit big, the flowers. But because it's almost similar, it's like a light red, kind of picking up pink on camera. It's more subtle. It's not like, bam, in your face. So, I much like it. And I do love peplum. Okay. What is this? This is by La Serene. Okay, this is cute. Look at this sheer sleeves. Hello. Little sexy action happening. There's like a little ruffle happening here. But then it's kind of like, I don't want to say sweater material, but it's like, just like knit. Not knit. I don't know. Just like shirt material. I love doing these videos, but I'm not good at knowing what fabric is. But that's okay. Okay, so we're going to put those together. That'll be fun. All right, and then these are work pants. And these are by Tribal. And you guys know, I'm like the Tribal representative now because she's been sending me Tribal pants in every box because I bought a pair, but I like them a lot. But then the ones she's been sending me were kind of like misses. But this has that same kind of cute kick flare action happening. And this, it's kind of, there's like a little bit of a print to it. Not a print. What would we call that? It's just a little bit different fabric. It's got like piping running through it. Is that what we would say? I don't know. But cute. Okay, so we're going to put this with the red top. And we're going to put that sheer black skirt or shirt with the skirt. And then here is the sweater dress. And this material feels super nice, by the way. Not itchy at all. Oh, no, there's like a little pull right there. Bummer. Cute sweater dress, though. Just gray. All the way down. Let me look at it this way. Cute. I'm just sad that there's like a little pill there because I will get it pilled up anyways, but I don't want it to start with one. Maybe I can see if we can do something about that. Pink clover. Gray. Pretty. Okay, let's get some try on going on. Let's do it. Okay, here I am with two of the pieces. Let's get a closer look and talk about this top by Mason & Bell. I don't really think it's doing anything for me. I feel like the peplum part is cutting kind of at a weird place. I almost wish it would cut a little bit lower. And it's cute. Feels really nice. The print is okay. Has kind of like a cute little bell sleeve. Some like ruching here. A little fluttery action happening. Some buttons coming down. I almost would like it better without the peplum. And normally I love peplum. But I feel like it's just like not flattering at this point. So most likely going to pass on this. Like if this was just like a normal shirt, I don't know, I think that could be a little bit cuter, but yeah, I just don't feel like it's cutting at the right place for me. But I think it would be really cute for Christmas, right? Okay, let's take a look at these pants. So this is another pair of tribal pants. I've tried on quite a few of them. I love this little cut right here in the ankle. I think that adds a lot of really fun detail. These are great pull on, no pockets, great work pants. Yeah, I think these are great. I think they're a nice length. It would maybe be nice if they were a tiny bit longer, but I think on everyone else they're going to be a good size. I'm 5'8" for reference, 5'7" I guess. So anyways, I think they're cute. I just don't think, I feel like I have a pair, not the tribal brand, but I do have some very similar style that I already have. So most likely we'll pass on both of these pieces. All right, let's move to the next. Okay, here are the next two pieces. Let's take a closer look at this top. I really, really like this top. I think it's a lot of fun. The sheer sleeves just do something for it. Makes it sexy, but also appropriate, you know, for going out in the winter, not in the summer, in the winter. I think it's super cute. It's kind of just like a nice normal clothing material here and comes down nicely. Oh, I really, really like this little black shirt. You could do a lot with it. Very versatile, so that is nice. All right, let's take a look at the skirt. Okay, so with the skirt, I don't like how it has these kind of longer diagonal things going on here. Just not really my jam. If it was just a normal straight across skirt, I probably would be keeping it. But I just can't. I'm not sure what's going on. I don't know what this style is called, but I don't like it. So, all right, let's try on that sweater dress. Okay, here I am with this sweater dress. So let's take a little bit of a closer look. The material is very, very soft, really nice. I love it. It has a little bit of ribbing up here and on the sleeve. It fits really nice. It has kind of like this little cutout right here. So it's appropriate length. I think it's actually really cute. I'm just not sure if it's something I necessarily need right now. It's cute, right? But I don't know. And then it has this little like pulled out piece right here, which is hard to tell, but I can see it. So I think if you're looking for a sweater dress, I think this is a really great option. I just don't know if I necessarily need it or want it right now. So let's jump into the recap and see what we think about all this when we look at pricing. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, we will start with the Skies Are Blue Tasha pleated skirt, a size medium, $58. I'm going to pass on that. Tribal Fia mid-rise curved hem pant, size 6, $58. Also a great price. I'm going to pass on the tribal pants. I have a similar pair. Pink Clover, this Nicola sweater dress in gray, $54. I like it. I just don't think I need it. The Mason & Bell Cara button front peplum top in burgundy, $46. Just not what I needed. And then the Les Serene Burgess ruffle detailed top in black, $44. So that was by far my favorite. The total amount was $260 with a buy all discount, takes off $65. So it's right around $195, right where I asked my price point to be. So awesome job. Nicole always hits that price point. I always ask for my box around $200, which leaves each piece around $40, and could be with the buy all discount and all of that. So I don't know, but yes, I think I really liked that black shirt. So I'm going to look at it a little bit more. But other than that, thank you guys for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would so appreciate it. It'd be like a beautiful little Christmas gift for me. Yay, thank you. All right, friends, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll catch you on the next one. Okay, bye.